Happy birthday to me! Yay! My neighbor gave me this outfit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That's what it said. Mommy read me a book today. It was great. It's my birthday. 1 month. Alright, Mommy just called Nanny and she found out that my birthday is not till tomorrow. 'Cause today's not Sunday, it's Saturday. Yay! Woo! So my birthday's tomorrow.